Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn about the use case diagrams in object-oriented analysis and design. Use case diagrams are behavior diagrams used to describe a set of actions, that means use cases, that a system performs in collaboration with one or more external users of the system, and we call them actors. Before starting a project, you can create use case diagrams to model a business so that all participants in the project share an understanding of the workers, customers, and activities of the business. During the analysis and design phase, you can use the use cases and actors from your use case diagrams to identify the classes that the system requires. Use case diagrams are mainly used to gather requirements of a system and identify the internal and external factors influencing the system. Here are components of the use case diagram. So there are mainly three components of the use case diagram called actors, means users of the system, use cases and their specifications, and the relationship between the use cases. Actors are the entities that interface with the system. They can be people or other systems. And actors are depicted as stylized stick figures. The roles the actors play in the system is important, not their real world identity. Here are some type of actors. So basically there are four types of actors when we are talking in the use case diagram. First one is primary or principal actor. So people who use the main system functions are referred as primary or principal actors. If we take the example of the ATM system, so in ATM system, primary actor is a customer. Next is secondary actor. People who perform administrative or maintenance tasks are referred as secondary actors. It provides a service to the system under the design. For example, in ATM system, a person in charge of loading money into the system is a secondary actor. Next is external actor. The hardware devices which are required as a part of application domain and must be used are referred as external actors. For example, in ATM system, printer is an external actor. There are some other system actors also. The other system with which the system must interact referred as other system actors. For example, in ATM system, bank network system is another system actor. So now question is how to identify the actors. So following are the questions by which we can identify the actors in the system. Who will use the system? Who is interested in a certain feature or services provided in the system? Who will support and maintain the system? What are the system's external resources? What other systems will need to interact with the system under development? So by answering these questions, we can easily identify actors in a system. So here are three actors in a system. So this is how we depict the actors in the use case diagram. So customer is a primary user, ATM technician is a actor, also bank is a actor in the ATM system. Now come to the use case. So before starting a project, you can create use case diagrams to model a business so that all participants in the project share an understanding of the workers, customers, and activities of the business. Use case represents what the actor wants the system to do. You have already identified the actors. Now, the actor performs some actions to the system so that we will represent using the use case. So each use case is a complete course of events to be executed in the system from a user's perspective. Use case can contain short description course of events in the system from a user's perspective. So if we talk about the ATM system, here are some use cases like withdraw cash, transfer funds, deposit cash, refill machine. So we have already identified the different actors in the ATM system. So a customer can withdraw cash, customer can transfer funds, customer can deposit cash, and the system admin can refill the machine. So these are some use cases in the ATM system. Thank you. Stay tuned and subscribe to Sage University Bhopal. In the next part of this video, we will talk about the relationships in the use cases. Thank you.